Alright, here's the old wheelbarrow. The whole trough was broken, the handle was broken. This handle survived, which is good because I got the measures off of it. This is the new one. The trough is bigger. It's got two new handles. The hardware is from the old one, except this, which is the front strut, will not fit. It's bigger. So I made these struts for it. It needs to have a bend to triangulate it made into it, which I have to find some way of doing it. You tie two steel pipes together, put it in there, put another third smaller diameter pipe on top and hammer it. This is the handle I made. It's surprising how good it looks after you sand it and put a little polyurethane on it. So, this thing, the stands, they needed to be squeezed together to fit the new dimensions of the screw holes. And because this wood is wider, it took longer bolts. So in total I spent $66, and that means I made $13 savings, which is pretty good. And if you really want to get fancy, which is why it broke the first time I dropped a piece of wood in here, then a widowmaker fell and just broke the whole thing. You put a square piece of plywood underneath so the bottom doesn't take a beating all the time. That will make it last a lot longer. And here's the good old plastic that can go to Nigeria.